Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again. This is the Home for the Holidays October 2023 kit. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, I'll take the tissue out. Oh, we've got a really lovely stamp set here. And it says, Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas. Celebrate the wonder and joy of this festive season. And we've got snowflakes and a couple of trees, and we've got a lovely house and some scattered dots, assuming it's snow. I'm gonna put it around the house there. So we've got that. We've got a real red Stampin' Spot, and we've got glitter glue. Very exciting. Okay, so we have our instructions, and we're going to be making 8 cards. We've got envelopes to match them, and there's 2 designs of cards, fully in color instructions, and we've got an advert for crafting tools, and then we've got some alternates on the back. And the coordinating colors are Balmy Blue, Cherry Cobbler, Crumb Cake, Crushed Curry, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lolly, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Old Olive, and Pecan Pie. We've got some dimensionals. Oh, and we've got our die cuts for the cards. Oh, these are just gorgeous. Look at those. We've got our envelopes, the lovely wreath on them so that when you fold it over, you've got that. And we've got our card fronts. So we've got this house scene, and oh, look at the trees. That's really nice. I'm so excited for this kit. We've got our die cuts. We've got our greeting banners. Oh, and look, we've got sparkly banners. And we have got some adhesive dots. So that is the October 2023 Home for the Holidays paper pumpkin kit. So stay tuned, and we'll do videos on making the projects.